This processing plant in Lagos produces 5,000 litres of gel every day. Made from sawdust and water hyacinth, the gel is used as a renewable energy source for cooking. The startup behind the initiative, Green Energy and Biofuels, says the raw material grows wild in Nigeria and is less damaging than establishing biofuel crops like palm oil, which often results in deforestation.
Like many other ethanol process that we have in the market today, majority are actually the food grade, but ours ethanol is a second generation bioethanol. So we don't process our ethanol from cassava, maize, sugarcane, like many other companies actually extract their ethanol from. But ours is from the biomass, like the water essence and the soil.
For women who depend on firewood and charcoal for cooking, by providing them with a safer, cleaner alternative. Around 350 households are now using the biogel, and the company has distributors working in Nigeria, Ghana and Benin.
Nigerian market have received and have accepted our product.
The gel is also much cheaper than traditional fuels used at home, which means many people are benefiting from its health benefits.